So in this first photo you can see our new pressurization unit that we've installed, and then below it you can see the original expansion vessel that's been fitted in the plant room by the original installers. That vessel was flooded and it was also leaking. It had a hole in the side of it and it was dripping water onto the floor. In this picture you can see we've upgraded that to a bigger expansion vessel, and we also fitted some service valves in so it can be maintained more easily. So how this safety valve works is this rubber seal sits in here and the face of it here presses on there and shuts water off, and if there's too much pressure this spring here recoils backwards and lets the water discharge out, but as you can see it's absolutely knackered. And so this one will be the same, but we're going to leave this one alone, and to try to get the water on tonight we're going to fit an aftermarket one here, but we have to come back and fit the right one. So this would just be a temporary solution because this is a care home. It's the only reason we're allowed to get away with this is in situations like care homes and hospitals and schools where it's more important to keep the system going. Right, cheers. Okay. Neither of these valves shut off properly, these ISOs. I would imagine these ones are the same. And this is the state of the pressure relief, which is dripping water when the boiler's on. And the rubber part that goes into the valve here, this is the state of that. And I would imagine this one, looking at the condition of the outside, is probably very similar. I'm not going to touch that one because we need to leave you with a working boiler. But that's just dripping now all the time down there as well. It really does need a bit of looking after this plant here. Here I am just showing that we have left some of the faulty components that we've changed on top of the boiler so they can be examined by a third party in case there's any doubt in what we've reported. And I've also left a warning notice on the boiler because it cannot be left with this temporary solution on the pressure relief. We do need to get back and fit the correct pressure relief valve to this boiler. Thank you for watching this report.